Yes! Yan, hinahayaan ko lang siyang mag-explore dito sa kanyang play area. Ayan, medyo hindi siya masaya sa kanyang tita. She loves her tita. Oh, hold it then. Do you want it on your... Do you want to lie on your back? Do you want to lie on your back? Hinahayaan ko lang siya dyan para... nakaka-roll na pala siya sa kanyang left side. Both right and left. Yun. You don't want to force something, pero gusto mo rin silang i-train. Kasi nga, for your own good din later. You thank yourself later na na-train silang mag-sleep as early as. Pero, isipin mo din bata lang sila. Diba? They're just baby na fully dependent sa atin, adults. Oy! Oy! There's Lady and Aliyah. Come on, Lady. Come on, Lady. Good morning, everyone! Yes, today is 6th of February. 10:30 na ng umaga. Yan. So, another day, another vlog po tayo. It's just an ordinary day for us. Kasama natin si Aliyah. Ito siya, si baby. Yes, baby! What's the matter? Say hi to the vlog. Say hi, everyone. Yes! Yan, hinahayaan ko lang siyang mag-explore dito sa kanyang play area. Ayan, medyo hindi siya masaya sa kanyang tita. She loves her tita. Oh, hold it then. Do you want it on your... Do you want to lie on your back? Do you want to lie on your back? Hinahayaan ko lang siya dyan para... nakaka-roll na pala siya sa kanyang left side. Both right and left. Yun. Pero, naiirita siya pagka nakadapa na siyang ganyan. Pero, hinahayaan ko lang siya mag-explore. Yan. May mga toys siya dyan. Diba, Ate Lady? How about you, Ate Lady? Are we gonna walk you later? Do you wanna go for a walk? Yeah. Good girl to siya, Ate Lady, eh. Very good, ate, no? But she's very cautious with Aliyah. It's Aliyah's nap time because it's 10:30. Maaga siyang nagising. So, what we do now, during nap time, we go upstairs sa kanyang nursery. Okay, Lady, you stay here or you come up upstairs? Yeah? So, ang ginagawa namin, umaakyat na kami sa nursery kasi meron na siyang crib. Ayan. Let's show the guys your crib. Here. Ayan. Yan yung camera. Yan yung crib ni baby. Okay. Ready for Aliyah. Ayan guys. So, medyo madilim na. Sinat ko na yung mga cortina. And then Aliyah is ready to go to bed. Aren't you, baby? Ayan, umiiyak na siya. I have to go. Puntahan natin kasi umiiyak na. So, maririnig mo din yung iyak niya kasi. Mommy's just eating breakfast. Nagising na talaga siya, guys. Si baby. Hindi na talaga siya matutulog. Ayaw na niyang matulog ulit. So, catnapping lang siya. I think that lasted for mga 30 minutes lang. Pero, nung nilapag ko na siya dito sa bed niya, after mga 1 minute, gising na siya. So, she likes contact snapping, yung nakakadal siya. Gusto ko siyang i-train na matulog mag-isa. Na makatulog siya dyan ng matagal sa kanyang crib. Pero minsan, di ba, iisipin mo, parang bata lang sila eh. You don't want to force something, pero gusto mo rin silang i-train. Kasi nga, for your own good din later. You thank yourself later na na-train silang mag-sleep as early as. Pero, isipin mo din, bata lang sila. Diba? They're just baby na fully dependent sa atin, adults. And, si Aliyah kasi, she sleeps with us doon sa bed namin. Kasi, I struggled with sleep. So, kung hindi ko siya ginawa when she was 2 months old, nung 2 months old kasi siya, from newborn kasi hanggang 2 to 3 months, dun siya sa bedside cot. Mayroon siyang cot dun sa tabi ng bed namin. So, dun siya natutulog for safety. Pero, nung nagkaroon ng 4th month sleep regression, yung hindi siya natutulog sa gabi, tinabi ko siya sa amin ni Andy. And then, nagdedede din siya sa akin. So, since then, nakakatulog kami sa gabi. So, magkatabi kami, and then nagdedede siya sa akin habang pareho kaming tulog. So, pareho kaming nakakakuha ng decent sleep. And I'm happier. So, since then kasi, doon na siya natutulog sa bed namin. They call it co-sleeping. Pero dito kasi sa UK, as much as possible, yung babies, meron silang sariling higaan for safety. Pero kasi 'di ba, mother instinct, gusto mo katabi mo yung anak mo matulog sa gabi. So, hindi ko alam kung saan ako nag-stand. Gusto ko siyang i-sleep train. Pero kung isipin ko, napakaliit niyang tao na para matulog mag-isa, diba? So, we'll see how we get on when she's bigger. 6 months na siya in few days eh. Aren't you, baby? You'll be 6 months soon. Yes. Yes. Ayun. So, we'll see if matitrain ko siya. I will do it slowly na mag-sleep learn. I don't want to call it train kasi masyadong mabigat yon for a baby. Mommy will just go and get some breakfast, okay? You stay here, right? Mommy is looking at you from there. Yeah? Mommy can see you from the camera. Okay? Yeah? Okay. See you in a bit. Let's go, guys. Iwan natin siya dyan mag-isa. So, meron naman ako ditong camera. Ayan. Hubo AI. Then, nakikita ko siya dyan. Yan. Ayan. So, nakikita natin kung anong pinagagagawa niya dyan. Hi, baby! Hi, lady! Come on! Yung aso ko naman. Sabi niya, ba't niyo ako iniwan? Kasi nandito na kami kanina sa baba, diba? Tapos, biglang umiyak si Aliyah. So, inaantok na siya. Tapos, yung aso ko naman, sabi niya, ba't niyo ako iniwan? Minsan pinapatikim ko siya ng oatmeal. Want some? How's you finding it? Okay? Yummy? Adelaide, you can't have some. Yum, yum, yum. Yeah, you had your treat, right? Good girl. Good girl. You said hi to your ate lady. Hello. So, it's 1 o'clock. At magwo-walking kami ng 2 girls. Here's Aliyah on her car seat. And then, Lady. Ayan. So, gagamitin ko na lang yung car seat ni Aliyah. And then, saka kami magwo-walk. Ayan. Diyan muna siya. I'll go and get the stroller. Lady, stay back first. Move. Because I need to go to get the stroller. Move. Move back. Wait for mommy here, okay? Wait for mommy. Shh. Stay. Stay there. Lady. You okay? Okay. Let's go. Let's have a walk. Oi. Lady and Aliyah. Hello everyone! Time check! It's 2 o'clock. Ayan. Gising na ang ating baby. Nakabalik na rin kami from our walk. Nakatulog siya kanina. So, hinayaan ko na lang muna siya matulog dun sa car seat niya. Ito si Ate Lady, oh. Ano, Ate Lady? What do you want? You want food? Here. Hindi kasi ito nagla-lunch, guys. Yeah, sila. So, ako, I'm eating bowl of salad here. So, I'm trying my best to eat healthy. Kasi, ilang buwan tayong hindi kumain ng healthy. Actually, simula nung nagbubuntis ako sa kanya, in-stop ko na yung kumain ng salad lang kapag tanghali for my lunch. Yeah. So, baby, oh, do you want your toy? No? You don't want? Okay. That's fine. Mommy will eat, okay? So, I try my best now, na since may time akong mag-prepare ng healthy lunch, I said, I'm gonna go back to my habit before. What I eat at lunchtime is healthy. So, ginawa ko may tuna, canned tuna, nalagyan ko ng mayonnaise. And then, my hard-boiled egg. Cherry tomato. Pepino, tsaka feta cheese, tsaka Ate Lady wants some food. You hungry, Lady? Si Lady lagi naman tong nanghihingi ng food. I'm teaching her not to. Okay? She's on her 5th day na walang kinukuhang pagkain from my plate. Tonight, baby? We're teaching Ate Lady. Okay. Yeah. So, I'm just finishing my lunch. So, since gising na si Aliyah, ay di wala na naman tayong magagawa. Work. Hindi ako nakakagawa ng work eh. Work means things that I wanna do. No. Like, sort out something in the house. Mag-i-edit ako ng vlogs. Kasi I like creating. Parang every time I create something, so, yeah. Kaso, hindi ako makagawa. Kasi, no bark. Pag gising si Aliyah, Mommy cannot do anything. I wanna focus on her. May isa lang kaming pwedeng gawin. Manood ng TV. No bark. Maglaro, manood ng TV. Sinit Aliyah. Or let Aliyah have a screen time. No. Or, we play. Hello. Update. Magdi-dinner na kami ni Daddy. So, meron kami ditong chicken satay. Bigay nung family friend nila baby, yung aking asawa. Ay, mahilig kasi silang magluto eh. Meron silang take away. Yan, nagbigay sila ng satay. Ayan, sarap. Yan. So, grinil ko siya. Ayan. And then, meron din kami ditong para siyang caldereta. Pero, they call it beef stew. Ayan. So, kakain na kami. Let's go and see what they're doing pala. Ay! Running low of battery. Hello! Oh, you're reading books?
Yeah, we just finished.
Peekaboo? Daddy?
Yeah, we did peekaboo.
Whoa, look at that. She's so interested. Lady, no.
At the end, what do we say?
I see you.
Peekaboo.
You. Yeah. Well done, Daddy. Well done, Aliyah, for reading books. Yeah, we'll be eating soon. I'm just preparing the table.